Alrighty, we just got started. Welcome back again, everybody. Buddha is here. As always, we're going to take a look at exactly what we can do for the time being in Bitcoin as well as in cryptocurrencies. For those of you that know me, I mean, Bitcoin is the greatest asset out there. You know, many of you know about this. We got to hodl this. We got to keep hodling into it. And this is the new way of, storing our wealth, right? Not necessarily so much transacting because of its network problems, but it's so much about, storing our wealth. But look, right now we have a big opportunity that has came up in not this, shitcoin or altcoin or whatever you call it, but specifically in Bitcoin, right? This thing has been going down for a little while right now, and we have been just going sideways, and I think it is getting ready to launch for the upside. That's what I see in the charts. And we have been talking about it, right? So we are getting ready for it, and hopefully we're going to see the market to be not sliding down like so much, We don't want the stock market to be going down tremendously. We want it to go sideways a little bit, go consolidate, not so much, slow bleed kind of action, right? And that's going to be the case, most likely. That is going to be the case. So that being the case, I can see it to be happening. I can actually feel it to be happening, and it's about to happen. So that being the case, should we be buying Bitcoin or selling it? And that's probably the question that you are asking me. And the obvious answer to that is obviously buying it, right? It's definitely buying it. So, but buy side, but also slowly, gradually accumulate. Do not go balls deep on a leverage and try to liquidate yourself. That's not how you play it. The way to play it, hodl it. We need more hodlers. That's what we need. We don't need degenerate gamblers. All right, what else we got? India to introduce 30% crypto tax, digital rupee, CBDC by 2022 and 2023. India is getting into the game, which is fascinating. We got Thailand scraps proposed 15% crypto withholding tax after backflash. We got $2.5 billion in stolen Bitcoin from Binance hack awakens. I just sold this. I just saw this. So I don't know where the funds went, but you know what? The 10,000 Bitcoin, it is leaving, according to this tweet right there. What else we got? I mean, how would you move $2.5 billion that has been stolen with a traditional finance system? There is no freaking way you can possibly do it. And the only way you can do it is Bitcoin. Are you telling me that Bitcoin is not going to be here? Is that what you're telling me? No. That's not what's happening. Bitcoin is here to stay. You got to be a part of it. All right, what else we got? Hong Kong restrict trading of crypto ETFs to professional investors only. Hong Kong's financial regulators argue crypto spot ETFs pose considerable risk and have justified their move as protecting retail investors. If you let them gamble on it, then yes, you shouldn't be let them gambling on it, but to accumulate. All right, what else we got? We got Bitcoin sitting around $39,000, trying to consolidate above the ranges, go above the ranges. We are retesting the support location. We are about to take off, and that's good to see, guys. That's what we want to see. All right, if there is any altcoin picks or names that you are interested in, let me know down in the chat right now, so we can take a look at it. All right, we got GRT. This is getting ready to turn. I mean, if you're not buying it right now, I don't know what you're doing. It almost looks like. If you like this coin, though, it could be a shit coin that goes to zero. I have no idea. The point of the matter is, if you want to maximize your Bitcoins, this could be one strategy to take a look at, if you ask me. Buy more Bitcoins with it after you double. That could be a way of looking at it. It's not looking bad. What else we got? Omi. Somebody asked me about it. This is not the time to accumulate it. The time was over here, but look, if this thing goes down to like 42, 56 or somewhere around those ranges, that would be good. This is not a bad project, by the way, but we'll see what happens on it. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is looking good. One above 27 and 22, that's a good location to be going above. It almost looks like the 2400 was the bottom. And if you didn't pick it up a little bit, at least, after the drop, then you're not on the right side of the market, man. I'm sorry. What else we got? Rune. I want to add on top of my Rune position. Yeah, this is looking beautiful. Beautiful looking chart over here. We got a beautiful looking chart, which is called Rune, a Torchain. A Torchain name, right? We are around like 4.2 bucks. It's not looking that bad, but I would just trade this, right? It's a half on a double. That's pretty much it. What else we got? What else we got? Doge. We got Doge in the ass, right? Dogecoin in the ass. 0.42, 1422. I think Dogecoin is one of those names that we're going to skyrocket with. It's going to skyrocket at some point, so make sure to pick some up while you can. Because I think this is going to like $1, you know. $1 is the target right there. We're probably going to get going to $1. That's my honest opinion, not a financial advice, obviously. I mean, if I said it was a financial advice, that would be a not the right thing to say, obviously, with Dogecoin, because I think nobody knows whether this thing is going to go up to $1 or $2 or $3 or $10. Nobody knows, but $1 seems to be solid, you know. That would be insane, actually. That's a 10x from here. Some people love Dogecoin, you know, but we got to manage that risk. So do not bet the farm on it. Always maximize your Bitcoins. That's the way to look at it, I think. All right, that's pretty much it, guys. I see a lot of shitcoins out there, but yeah, I mean, all of them are pretty much in a good spot to be picking up some, but make sure you're not over leveraging yourself, and come back at the game tomorrow and play from a position of strength. That's the #1 thing. Come back. We need more hodlers, and I hope you guys are doing that. And if you appreciate these videos, smash the like, subscribe, share with your friends, family, everybody. Let's skyrocket this channel to 100K subs so that we can maximize our hodling back, and we can also basically maximize our Bitcoins and keep on keeping on. That being said, I will see you guys on another video tomorrow, as always, around 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Take it easy for now, everybody.